right. So we're on this street, we're on Rua Manuel de Arriaga, which is directly over that way. And we're going to be walking towards this area called Three Lamps District. It's kind of well known for the Burmese community, Vietnamese community, Indonesian community. And I'm also with my daughter.
Yeah.
Alright. So let's bring this camera up and we're just going to walk through this little area together. And I'll probably give the camera back and forth between the two of us. We're going to walk in this area a little bit and then we're going to walk all the way down that way and then we're going to go all the way to Three Lanterns District and a big circle drive. So let's do it. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. You ready? Alright, let's do it. We're gonna bring you along with us. So let's first start in this area. Do you want to hold the camera?
Yeah.
So my daughter's gonna hold the camera.
Let's go.
So we're basically gonna walk around, and you can see today's a Sunday, so that's why there's a lot of people.
A lot of people.
So this whole area on Sunday. There you go.
Come here. Yeah.
So on Sunday we got all kinds of people walking around, hanging around. So we're just gonna walk around in this little loop in this area.
Well, I'm always threatening to you. Right here.
So we're gonna go.
Yep. We went from here. Now we're gonna go.
We're gonna go around.
Over here. Yep. Wow. There's many people. Can you hold the camera?
Yeah, of course. Alright, so basically this whole little area, they'll hang out here on a Sunday, so we're gonna walk down that way and then go down that way. Let's do it. I think she's gonna come by and surprise us on the other side, so she just ran the other direction. Dun, dun, dun. There she is. All right. Check out that cool corner. So we're gonna walk straight ahead towards the towards that area. Oh, maybe we can go across on this side because there's no cars on the left side. So this street is called Manuel de Arriaga, and we'll highlight it in a moment as well. And it's Sunday, it's pretty busy, a lot of people walking around today.
They go on Sundays because they know it's the last day and they have to go back. Well, because they have to go back to go to school, the students. That's why on Sundays there's many people because this is their last day this is their last day, or maybe they're the only day where they're gonna go here.
That's true. That's true. I'm just gonna walk in here briefly. There's like fashion, Taobao, nails, and basically we're just gonna walk in because this would be part of our street as well. And I usually don't walk into these places very often, but we're just gonna come in real quick. And basically these are like smaller little shops, so it's easier for them to open up and have a shop. And of course we could go that way, which I guess we might as well do. So now we're gonna come up by the Indonesian mart, so we're gonna be on a different street, but we'll just come around the corner anyways, like that.
Yeah. Whoa, the plastic. Did you see that plastic?
The plastic?
Yeah, the plastic just turned into like, it was like a rainbow right on that car,
Oh, did
it
you?
just went like a rainbow down to the car.
I didn't see it. The reflection?
The plastic just went like, whee!
Oh, I did see that. It landed right there on the windshield. It's like somebody who's up above is smoking cigarettes, and they took their cigarette plastic and they threw it out the window, and it landed on the windshield of that car.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of like people that live up in these areas. So somebody's enjoying some cigarettes up there, and they threw they took off the top part and they threw it over the side.
Imagine if that was candy.
Yeah, imagine if it was candy.
Imagine if it's raisins.
Raisins?
Raisins.
Imagine if it was something disgusting.
Imagine.
Something that was so awful that, like an egg. What is an egg?
Egg mixed with beans.
Egg mixed with beans sounds pretty disgusting. So this one that's called Rua de Restauração. We're gonna go across over to that spot right there in a second, but we're just gonna highlight this street right here because this is our target street. Oh, I don't see a sign here, but this was actually our target street right here. So I guess what we'll do is we'll walk back over this way, and we're gonna go across over here. Now we're right in the Three Lanterns district, so there's a lot of people here, and we're gonna film this whole area right here. So our target street was that one, that whole side right there. So we basically came up, there's a park way down there, and then we came in that way, and then we went through that way, and then we came out this way. So that's basically where we're at today. All right. So now we're kind of in the thick of it. They got a stage, so sometimes they'll do performances here. They have like a Times Square kind of stuff as well. And I think these right here, they'll have they'll sell stuff in these ones, but it looks like today there's people kind of hanging out in the middle part, like a lot of the Indonesian community. So what do you think?
Good. Cool.
Pretty cool, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've never seen much people here before until they opened.
Sunday is the big day, right?
Yeah. So the border opens. That's
Yeah. I think Sunday.
You're probably cannot hear me because I started to be talking.
So we're gonna just walk around like this, and we're gonna go out over that side. So I'm just gonna try to capture so that a lot of the Indonesian community is here, and we're gonna go right into that space in a second. Or actually, we should probably conclude. So later we're gonna go into that marketplace over there. So we're gonna conclude. That was our focus straight down that way. So let's do a little conclusion, eh? So what do you want to say to end this video? Pretty interesting?
You should walk here instead of drive here.
That's true, because we drove around. So we got another video where we were just doing driving in this area. So actually, so we're gonna end it right there, but that was our target street down that way. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.